My name is Rustam. I'm from Russia.
My name is Derek Zeno, and I'm from the Reno, Tahoe area.
I'm Kukuso. I come from Taiwan.
It was very excited because if you come there, you don't have any ideas what the fashion statement is and how we have to interpret it that.
To work with an international team, I think, is amazing.
And I just really liked how everyone this year has really gelled together as a team, so all our ideas have bounced off.
It's been so rewarding working with the master team and part of the collection, something that every hairdresser dreams of, and this was a reality for us.
You're seeing a different way of creating texture that's not shattered, but you're seeing lots of movement.
这一次的整个流行趋势对我来说是蛮适合大家的，因为它是一个结合了圆形或是一些比较锐角的东西，或者是雾面或者是亮面的颜色。
For me, what I like particularly about the fashion statement is that harmony, disharmony, because you can do a lot on hairstyles, but also in fashion.
This year's fashion statement has a wonderful new edge because it's taking bits and pieces from different heritage, from different decades of life, and we take and we borrow the craftsmanship from different elements of time and also put it together brand new.
The unexpected elegance really comes from, like I said, taking the heritage and making that a new twist, deconstruct it, break it apart, rebuild it, and make it a new twist with a raw feel to it.
It's good to have a perfect model, to have a great photographer, a great makeup artist, and that you have built a team, and then with the team you make a beautiful collection.
Очевидно, то есть это обмен опытом, это приобретение новой информации, это быть на шаг впереди моды, впереди трендов, быть информированным заранее, задолго до того, как создаются подиумные работы.
I just think the opportunities are massive, and it's the one job in the world that people are the happiest in.
我很喜欢这一切，我很享受当下，我喜欢跟他们一起工作。